Try a 40-question English challenge, harder than it looks. Are you ready? Pick the correct option. Answer D, irregular. Which spelling is correct? Answer C, factually. Which word is spelled correctly? Answer D, empathetic. Find the best synonym of interval. Answer D, gap. Which word is a synonym of different? Answer C, distinct. Pick the opposite of illusion. Answer A, reality. What is the opposite of possible? Answer B, impossible. Choose the plural of dependency. Answer A, dependencies. What is the plural form of stimulus? Answer D, stimuli. What word best completes the sentence? Answer C, I need to borrow a pen from someone. Which option correctly fills the gap? Answer B, the originality of his proposal impressed the committee. Fill in the blank with the correct option. Answer D, she works hard to meet the deadline. What does all in good time mean? Answer C, wait. What does pick holes in mean? Answer A, criticize. Pick the antonym of link. Answer B, separate. What is the opposite of contaminate? Answer A, purify. What is the opposite of rescue? Answer D, abandon. Choose the correct past form of miscast. Answer A, miscast. What is the past form of overhang? Answer B, overhung. Which is a synonym of fickle? Answer D, changeable. Pick a synonym of hazardous. Answer B, dangerous. Choose a synonym of desolate. Answer D, barren. Which spelling is correct? Answer A. Recognize. Which word is spelled correctly? Answer C. Incorrectly. Pick the correct option. Answer B. Customize. Which option is correct? Answer D. Beautiful. What is the plural of vocabulary? Answer C. Vocabularies. What is the plural of colloquy? Answer B. Colloquies. What is the plural of index? Answer D. Indices. What is the plural of radius? Answer C. Radii. Fill the gap. Answer B. His speech was full of wisdom, making the audience thoughtful. Can you guess the missing word? Answer C. You should apologize for being late. What word best completes the sentence? Answer B. On behalf of the company, I would like to thank you. What does play it by ear mean? Answer C. Improvise. What does put your foot down mean? Answer A. Be strict. What does shake a leg mean? Answer C. Hurry up. Almost there. Just 4 questions left. Choose past form of ring. Answer B. Rang. What is the past form of undergo? Answer C. Underwent. Choose past form of light. Answer D. Lit. What is the past form of overdraw? Answer B. Overdrew. Congratulations! Tell us your score in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe.